Hey, back with another quick video. Now we're connected to the 50 ohm input, and we are currently connected to my IFR 2025 signal generator. I've got a neg 10 dBm signal at 50 megahertz, and on the external reference we're bang on. Even if I change the range a little bit, I mean, that's not too shabby at all. Now if I switch to the internal reference, and looks like we're off by about, I'd say about 2.8 kilohertz. Again, you know, for a over 30-year-old piece of equipment, that's not too shabby. And again, you know, there's some age to this 10 meg reference, and I imagine that you could probably, there's a bunch of these 10 meg oscillators, these OCXOs on eBay here. I imagine if you are so inclined, you could probably integrate a new one into this frequency counter. Like I said, if you are inclined to do so. But for a hobbyist type frequency counter, this isn't too bad. There you go. So she's working pretty nicely. And it goes into standby. What's nice about the standby, real quick, is it shuts off these, get my finger in the picture, these driver ICs right here for the LEDs. So they all tend to run pretty warm. They're pretty hot to the touch right now. But if you go into standby mode, the oven stays on, but the display cools down those ICs a little bit if you don't need it. It's always a good idea to leave these on. That's the way they are anyway. Most of my Raycal Dana is the same way. I leave it off most of the time so that the oven stays, I leave it in standby, I should say. That way the oven stays on, but the display doesn't cook away. So there you have it.